Uh-oh! Doey's looking a little, well, flat. Let's hope the doctor can fix you up. Oh no! Things aren't looking so good. Well, now he's in that great kiln in the sky. But wait, there might be something inside. Wow! It's Baba Chops and Pianosaurus. Ooh, we get a burger with our new toy. I wonder if we get fries with that. 'Cause I don't think this burger's for eating. This burger doesn't just look like clay, he is clay. And with clay, you can do so much. Like giving Doey a brand new do. We should probably trim that cowlick. Save it. Let's make it a tiny hat. And look, it's just your size, Doey. Uh-oh, Sky's toilet is such a mess. The toilet paper, it reads, "Do not open." Well, TP has never steered me wrong before. But no one said anything about the tank. And it's your favorite flavor, too, blue. Look, some new faces for our toy Ferris wheel. Maybe we should look inside after all. A slingshot? Well, at least it's got a bathroom theme. Okay, pick a face and sling your shot. We got catnap, and we're just getting started. Looks like it's time to unbox Pianosaurus. It looks like he's brought some friends, too. Let's take off the keys with special guests. And we should shake off all that sand. Hey, I think we've got something here. It looks like an egg. A dinosaur egg. Looks like he's in good company. Especially with our new dino slide. Down they go, and they get right up. Granted, the backside escalator helps. It's so fun, you'll never have to leave. Let's bring all of our Sprunki friends together. So, anyone in the mood for pasta? Doey just loves to taste the rainbow. Hey, he's taking all of our friends. Why don't you take a trip in our game book? First up, it's our old pal Yarnaby. But he's a little mixed up at the moment. Ooh, he's growing out his hair. Wow, he's really got some strong grip. Looks like it's Orin to the rescue. And a little hypnosis is always helpful. Sprunki friends, assemble! Everyone to your colors. Like I said, it's pasta time. Now everybody, slurp. And now Pinky is free. Wow, she's a deep sleeper. But she'll wake up to present your prize. Looks like Catnap wants to help Bailey with his floaty. Ooh, it's a good thing Bailey's got gills. Unfortunately, it's getting kind of crowded in here. Hey, don't swim until after you've eaten. Well, time to whip out the fishing pole. Good thing Big and Scary likes chewed gum. Okay, everybody, who wants sashimi? Don't forget to slice off those fins. And we should probably take a look inside. Almost done. Just a little deboning. Now we gotta put Bailey back together. Good news! We even saved your duck!
Ooh.
It's Doey. He's looking a little gray. Uh-oh! Is he really that transparent? Well, now the game can really begin. I guess this calls for a hands-on touch. We can use the balls to color him in. Push everything so it goes where it belongs. Just try to stay inside the lines. Oh, and don't forget the little hat. Time for fun in the park. Ooh, looks like rain. Wait, it says add water. It's Baba Chops! Well, now let's look behind tree number 2. Handcuffs? Huh, should come in handy with Baba. Next up, fire. Ooh, things are getting hot in here. Whoa, look at that! An electric razor! Okay, we need to find where Baba's hiding. Not there. Let's try over here. Don't think so. Hey, you think he knows Wallace and Gromit? Well, third time's the charm. Told ya! We might have 3 bags full, but you're going to jail. But I guess a birdcage will do too. Lily Microwave tends to get hangry. Careful, there's a fly in your soup. Sans the soup. Either way, Lily's in a burger mood. But first, we gotta do a quick maze. Besides, there might be cheese in here. If not, we might as well collect our Poppy Playtime pals. Well, I guess it's time to let the good times roll. Almost done. Can't forget Dog Day. Well, the farm's all here. And what comes from farms? Food! Soon we'll have everything we need to make a burger. Of course, you gotta stick it together yourself. Here you go, Lily. Say, would you like fries with that? Wait, is she eating it or heating it? Well, either way, we need to plug her in. I told you she just needed something to eat. Simon, watch out! Oh, and not wearing your helmet, too. Maybe we can look inside these rocks. After all, there could be hidden treasures. That bike pump could be handy. But look, slime! You can never go wrong with slime! Especially when it comes with tools inside. Slime sure is the gift that keeps on giving. We'll have your bike fixed up in a jiffy. And just in time, Simon's gotta head home. Here, Pinky, a strawberry donut, your favorite. Oh, I cry too when there's no more donuts. Oh, I see, you're not feeling well, are you? Well, whatever this is, better out than in, I always say. Good to see you're eating your carrots. You don't need this. You're already all heart. And you can always make your own luck. A bug? Well, protein is protein. Ooh, a star. Why don't we mix all these ingredients up? Pinky prefers things shaken, not stirred. Now let's bring everything together. Ooh, it kind of looks like a parfait. But we're gonna heat things up. We earned a break. Let's play with Mr. Fun Computer. Want to have fun? Yeah, I just said that. Ooh, we're playing with Simon and Pianosaurus. Okay, everybody, let's get ready to rumble! You know the rules. Whoever loses their stickers first loses! Things are getting tense. This could be anybody's game. Things aren't looking so good for Pianosaurus. And Simon wins. That means we've won too. What's our prize? Mazes sure are popular here. We're out of ink already? Let's see. Well, it writes on regular paper just fine. In fact, we can use it to draw up a solution. Let's make friends for all our Sprunki maze runners. First, let's follow the red road to Telly. Of course, we gotta draw it out ourselves. Next up, let's help Aqua find her way. And last but not least, it's Oaxis's turn. Red, blue, and green. We've solved the maze. Now for a surprise. It's not Superman ice cream. It's Doey. But I think he needs help. Now let's open him up and see what's inside. It's our Sprunki friends. You swallowed them whole. Maybe we can put them all back together. Granted, we probably shouldn't have made them into pasta in the first place. Ooh, someone's worked up an appetite. Guess we're starting with dessert. Hey, this gelatin's got a special ingredient. Looks like it was made with a side of mutton. He's all to pieces, but we can fix that. Don't worry, there's plenty of leg of lamb to go around. But the bleached blonde look isn't for everyone. There, now you're worthy of a nursery rhyme. See, that put a smile on his face. Besides, every family needs a few black sheep. This must be a speedy delivery. This meal's still steaming. Either way, it's cake. Time for dessert. But doesn't it look a little off? Hey, isn't that a timer? Uh-oh. Well, that explains all this smoke. Oh, who would have thought the cake was a lie? Well, this purple shake seems fine, at least. But it could use a little something. I know, this should add some fizz. Of course, every Happy Meal needs a toy. We'll add it to the collection. Next up, Yarnaby's got a surprise for us. And once again, it's something you can eat. Looks like pasta, but is it savory or sweet? Either way, it's good. And look, an orange. Eat the fruit, but make sure to save the rind. Add some of these candy worms through it. But our little creation could also use some teeth. Now add some eyes and bring this pair together. It's our own Yarnaby, and he's hungry. Hey, it's our very own washing machine. And just in time. Looks like catnap's done. Open up that smile. Hey, look, it's candy! So that's where he keeps his secret stash. Why don't we take it for a spin next? Wow, you washed the colors right off? But it tastes a little soapy. Yeah, don't try this at home. Hey, why don't we try this for its intended purpose? Those unmentionables could use a good spin. Uh-oh, they shrunk in the wash. But they're just the right fit for our foxy friend here. Time for fun with our Sprunki friends. Pick your group. Ew. Is it chilly in here, or is it just aqua? Wow, a purple-colored microwave? It's Lily! Okay, let's speed things up. We've got Ratty, Pinky, and Simon. And last but not least, we've got Durple. Heads up! Things are about to get spooky! Ooh, it's raining slime! And there's more where that came from. Blocks? Guess we can always make some new friends. Let's throw in Mr. Sun while we're at it. And look, he even doubles as a Ferris wheel.